Hey friends, today we'll learn how to change Facebook password without knowing old password. For that, first of all, open Facebook app. Click on three horizontal lines of profile icon in the upper corner. Scroll down. Click on Setting and Privacy. Click on Privacy Shortcuts. Scroll down. Click on Change Your Password. If you know your current password, simply enter and add new password. You can change it, and otherwise, if you cannot know your current password, simply click on Forget Password. Now enter a 6-number code Facebook sent on your email. After enter your code, you successfully change your Facebook password without old password. If you like our video, please subscribe.